Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the latest Facebook Live class project to share with you. This will also come out as a PDF, so if you prefer to have a PDF and you love the project, then hold on in there. A new video will be up shortly announcing that. But the live class is taking place on the 3rd and the 4th of September at 6 p.m. BST, British Summer Time. 2 2-hour classes, and it's delivered through Facebook Live. So this is the project. It is called the Alberta Folio, and it measures 10 1/4 high, 8 1/4 wide by 1 3/4 deep, and it's been designed to really showcase your photographs, so lots of large areas to create your fabulous montages for your memories. I've decorated the project in 12 by 12 papers, 8 by 8 papers from the Sir Vagabond in Japan collection. So this is what the collection looks like. Some beautiful colours, lots of which you'll see inside. So that's the 12 by 12 pad. I've used the 8 by 8 backgrounds new pad and the 8 by 8 smaller version of the 12 by 12 pad, and then just a few cutouts from the new collectibles, which are lovely. So my Japanese lady on the front here is cut from the collectibles, and I've raised her up on some foam just to give her some dimension. And then she's got a water jug, and this element is cut from the collectibles as well. Water vase, rather. So let's have a look inside. We've got a magnetic closure on the side that holds the case together, and then opening up you can see all the array of colours. So we've got a fabulous deep acetate pocket on the inside cover here with a large policy envelope, all of which we put together in the class, and that one's designed really to hold ephemera. It might be menus, whatever you want to put inside. Really nice, large policy envelope that opens up. Closed with a button and thread closure, and that just slips into the pocket. But look at that fish. How fab is he? And he looks as though he's underwater with the acetate pocket over the top. And there's another fish down here as well. So I love that paper. I love the reds. It's deep, nice deep red. And then there are 4 page mounts, all of which have got something slightly different on them. So the 2 on the first page mount have got little pockets alternating, one at the bottom on the front and then one at the top on the back. Those are optional. You can have just solid surfaces to put your photos on. And then that flips over to reveal a large page to place your pictures on, whatever size you're going to put in. I've just paper clipped a photo mat under there to sit on top of the paper. It's beautiful, really beautiful. And then we've got that little pocket on that side for a tag or a photo. And then flipping over, the back of all of these add-ons creates a pocket on the page, and also we've got the clip, the back side of the clip. Beautiful paper again with that lovely Japanese boat. And then I've used 2 of the cutouts from the 12 by 12 paper just to tuck under that little pocket there. And then we've got a large policy envelope on the next page mount that opens up, and that will hold one of our long tags just under 8 inches, so you can decorate those out of your 8 by 8 papers, and that slips in there. And then we've got a pocket at the bottom, and this is held closed just with a little paper clip. So again, nice little pocket, and I've continued the boat on here. It was really fun working with the papers and working them all together. All the colours really work well when you mix them all up. And then we've got Sir Vagabond in Japan as just an add-in into that tuck spot created by the policy envelope. And then a nice large page again to really showcase your pictures. I've added a fold down flap. That's optional. It was just because I split and used an 8x8 paper and a border strip. And I just thought that was an opportunity to tuck something under that flap. And again, that one's just held closed with the paper clip. They're just brilliant, the paper clips. And then flipping over, we've got the natural pocket that creates on the back and a tuck spot to add more pictures or ephemera. Look at the world map. Love it, love it. And again, I've used a band just cut from the paper to create another pocket and tuck spot on the back of that page mount. And then we get to the middle bit, which is the folio section, and it all folds out. It's expandable as well, so as you add things into the middle, the sides will sort of lift up all of the pages so that you don't end up with a sort of squashed section. And I added a pocket to the front here just because in the 12x12 pad, that beautiful picture was shouting out, "Oh, make me into something." I just love that fish. So we've got a nice deep pocket on the front. That's optional, depending on how you want to build your album. And then the folio section folds out. You've got 2 fold out flaps sideways, 2 fold out flaps that go top to bottom, and then 2 fold out side flaps, and a nice large centre section. And again, lots of room to put pockets or bands on these, depending on what it is that you're putting into your project. So the class runs, or the class is designed for you to use papers of your choice. The cutting guide is generic, it's not collection specific. So you get all the measurements and an idea of whether they need to be cut from 12x12 or 8x8 papers. There's also an overview of the papers that I've used so you can plan papers, but they're not, the projects aren't designed specifically for this paper collection. So if you love the project and you'd like to make it in your own style of papers, come and join the class. If you don't want to do the live section, the class is available after the event as well. So once you've bought it, you've got access to all of the pre-class videos, the full cutting guide, and the 2 live videos that you can watch again and again after the event. So this is the Alberta folio. I'll put the links to the live class and all the products used in the project below. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you can come and join me, and I hope I've inspired you to be creative as well with all of these gorgeous papers that we've got. And don't forget to click on that bell or subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Happy crafting!